The illegal slaughter of donkeys and the subsequent trade of the same has risen tremendously over the last 2 years, putting the population of donkeys under threat of depletion. The Donkey Sanctuary says that the rising demand of the animal's products in the Chinese market is driving the illegal trade here in the country, creating a public health concern, since oftentimes the traders are only interested in the skin of the animal, discarding the carcass in unsanitary conditions. Last year, a small piece of donkey skin sold for 100 shillings, but this year the price has risen to 1,000 shillings, and the Department of Veterinary Services says it will not be licensing any more donkey abattoirs in order to help protect the population of the animals. The DVS is also working on regulations that will guide the slaughter and trade in donkey meat and skin.